Okay, Nathan just texted me and said we should do Heat Rains by Newsboys. Old school stuff. So, in case you care, I'm capable on 5th fret playing in D. So, we'll try it out and see what it sounds like. It's a song of the redeemed, rising from the African plain. It's the song of the forgiven, drowning out the Amazon rain. The song of Asian believers, filled with God's holy fire. It's every tribe, every tongue, every nation, a love song born of a grateful choir. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. Let it rise above the four winds, call up in the heavenly sound. Let praises echo from the towers of cathedrals to the faithful gathered on the ground. Of all the songs sung from the dawn of creation, some were meant to persist. Of all the bells rung from 1,000 steeples, none ring truer than this. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. He reigns. And all the powers of darkness tremble at what they've just heard. 'Cause all the powers of darkness can't drown out a single word. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. He reigns. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. He reigns. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. He reigns. So I got children singing glory, glory, hallelujah, He reigns. Alright, so we'll take a listen back to this and see what we think. Let me know in the comments.